Alright, so in this little demonstration, I'm going to talk about Newton's first law of motion, which basically says any object in motion or at rest will stay at motion or at rest unless it's acted upon by an outside force. So let's take these quarters for instance. These quarters are at rest and they will stay where they are unless they're acted upon by some outside force. Now, what happens when somebody hits one of these quarters with an object is that all the quarters on the bottom have a lot of friction with the quarters that are directly on top of it because of they're stacked on top of them. So there's friction built up between each of the quarters. If I knock a quarter out, the friction between each quarters will drag another quarter out with it. All right? So what we're going to do now is see if we can knock some of these quarters out without toppling the stack of quarters. All right? Now, a force applied to these quarters should not get over. However, we zoom in, and we take that force and we apply it quick enough, we can overcome that friction. All right, so it won't immediately topple over, and we can knock some of these quarters out. So the challenge for you is, how many quarters can you stack up and then knock out before your tower of quarters topple over? Give it a shot.